Welcome to Poshier. I'm Matthew, and I'll be showing you how to create complex food item for the menu in this video. Let's start by tapping the menu button at the bottom if you're not there yet. In order to access this feature, you must sign in as an administrator. By default, the account you sign up with is already an administrator. In today's video, we will build my favorite dish, prime rib, and get it up ready for sale. So let's get started. Tap the plus icon at the top right to bring up the edit menu. Tap category. And select meat. And then enter prime rib into the name field and the description when you need it. Tap price variant. Enter 12 ounces for $50 and 18 ounces for $60. Tap apply. Okay, let's tap the arrow in the requirements section. Tap new. Here, we can build the temperature requirement for the steak. Enter temperature for the name, and then enter the medium rare, medium, and medium well. Leave the selection type as single. Tap save. Tap new again. Now, we can build the sides go with the steak. Enter sides for the requirement name, and then enter the sides. Select multiple in the selection type to allow to select more than one item. Tap save. Tap the temperature and sides item. Pick a photo if you have one. Tap save. There you have it. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.